We don't have no music for this intro, but subscribe and like and show some love though. We don't have no music for this intro, but subscribe and like and show some love though. Hey, oh, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? My confidence squad is here on that. I'm back with another YouTube production. In today's video, we're going to be trying a viral TikTok hack. But before we get into the viral TikTok hack, I do want to tell you guys that I am going to be posting a lot more than I have been posting in these last 2 weeks. And that's on periods. But you know, I'm coming with more content. Ignore my hair today. It's not that bad, but you know, just don't be picking on me, okay? Because I did not feel like doing my hair today. And I know people with natural hair can relate, or people with hair period can relate. You don't feel like doing your hair every day. But today's viral TikTok is trying the strawberries, like cleaning the strawberries, properly cleaning the strawberries. Now, nothing has happened to me from eating the strawberries as they were, but I have heard, seen what comes off of those strawberries. And so in today's video, we're gonna be properly cleaning the strawberries. And if those of you who don't know what it is, just keep watching. I'm gonna show you what's up. But before we can get into that video, ma'am, miss, Mr., sir, young boy, little girl, before we can get into this video, I need you guys to like, I need you guys to comment, and I need you guys to subscribe. It ain't nothing but a thing. It ain't nothing but a thing. So let's get into the production. Whoa. Did I just whip to the whip, whoa, hey, whip, whoa, hey, whip, whoa. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Cut it out. Okay, so we have our bowl. Our bowl is rinsed out, and we have our beautiful strawberries. Now we are going to fill our bowl up with some water. I'm gonna use some cold water. You can use warm, whatever you prefer. You know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna fill this up with water. How are you doing today, Jasmine? Okay, anyway, so we have our water. Now we're going to add salt. We're just gonna add some salt in there. Here we got. Why do I do have the stuff that I do? Okay, so I think we got enough salt. I'm just kind of stir it around with a little bit more salt. So the water's not that cold. It's kind of warm. I gotta clean that water up because it's steady dripping. It's steady dripping. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So now we have our handy dandy strawberries. What we're gonna do, what we're not gonna do if we can't open it. Mama. Just kidding. Yeah. Never mind. So now what you're gonna do is you're going to drop the strawberries into the water. And just drop.
Holy cow. Okay. I'm gonna drop. So I probably might need a bigger bowl. Why are they floating? There you go. Don't. I'm just kind of scared that it might overflow. Y'all see this? Alright.
So I'm gonna scoop some of the water out. How I plan to do that, we're gonna see. That is not for that. That is not for that. A scooper. Okay, whatever. Okay, let me just.
Okay. I'ma just get out of there. So I'ma just get back to y'all in a second. Oh my god. Okay, this is like actually scary. So I'ma just don't put too much water in there, guys. Because obviously Shirley Sue, aka me, did not listen. And put too much water in there. Like why, Zanaya? Why Shirley Sue? Okay. So I think we're good with this amount of water. I'm trying to get y'all don't get y'all strawberry head cells in here. I think we're good. I think we're good. I don't know what y'all think, but I think we're good. I think we're kind of good.
I think we're good. So then we call on Google. Hey, Galoo, set me a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, and that's starting now.
So we're gonna wait 5 minutes for our handy dandy bowl of strawberries to do their thing. Now, if nothing comes off of these strawberries, I'm gonna personally email the girl on TikTok and let her know the whole life is a joke. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. So yeah, we're just gonna let that sit for 5 minutes and we're gonna get back to the business in 5 minutes. Oh, you guys, it's been 5 minutes, but I seriously don't like, you know, it doesn't look like everybody else's video, you know, on TikTok. So I don't want to email her, you know, and tell her what I said I was going to tell her just yet. So I'm going to put it in there for, you know, another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes, okay? Another 5 minutes. You know, because at the end of the day, you know, like the little stuff that she was saying was on there, like the bugs and all that. It just added a little razzle-dazzle. A little razzle-dazzle to the, you know, strawberries. So, like, baby, why are you trying to take them off? It's just adding a little razzle-dazzle. That's it, that's all. Okay, sweetheart? Period. Or a little razzle-dazzle to the strawberries. So this is kind of what we're looking like with the first 5 minutes. And I'm just, oh my gosh. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm letting it sit in there for another 5 minutes. But look, y'all, I did not see that you know what? So after this next 5 minutes is up, oh my gosh. We're going to pray, y'all. But after this next 5 minutes is up, I'm going to let you guys see the final result.
So who was she? No, they already know you crazy with that one. So, who was she? That was a little too harsh. So who was that? No, you might accidentally stab her for real. So which one of y'all want to get it first? Which one of y'all? No, girl, you don't really care about the other girl. You know, she dumb anyway. Hold on. So, I just want to know why. No, girl, because you don't need to ask me no questions anyway. Hold on. So, you want to die now or you want to die later? Which one? Ain't he ain't got no choice to live. You gonna kill him? Why? Okay, hold on. No, I don't really care. I'm just about to get my stuff and leave. You're stupid.
Okay, you guys. So that was our last 5 minutes. So I'm about to take the strawberries out of here. I'm kind of scared. Because in this one girl, she had a bug on there. I don't want no bug. I hope it ain't take the razzle-dazzle out of the strawberry, though. If it did, Mama, I'm sorry. You knew my heart, Mama. You knew my heart, Mom. I just wanted us to eat the right stuff, Mom. You know, I never meant for the strawberry to... I'm going to taste it first, Mom. I promise. You know, I never meant none of that. But I got my cutting board and my knife over here because I'm going to cut the strawberries up. I'm going to cut the green part off. If you can eat the green part of the strawberries, baby, what? You might as well go eat the leaf. Not even eat the strawberry. Don't eat the strawberry after that. You gotta know rebuttal. Why are you eating the green part? Huh? What did the green part give to you? If you wanted to eat the leaf, baby, just say that. Just say you was hungry, you wanted to eat the leaf. Just don't eat the strawberry. Leave the strawberry for us who know how to eat strawberries. You just go eat the tree.
Y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see this here. This here. Like, sweetheart. Sweetie. Baby girl. This is crazy. Now, I don't know, even though I see this, I don't know if I'm going to do this every time, because this is real time consuming. Not really. It was like 12 minutes versus a minute to clean the strawberries. But we ain't really cleaning them. You know, we just rinsing them. You know? Oh, don't do that. Don't. I'm about to put you in the trash since you want to be difficult. You don't get to be ate like everybody else. So, we're about to look at these strawberries.
Look what came off of these. What is that? So as we can see, sweetheart, strawberries is nasty, but they so good, if you get what I'm saying. But now I'm about to cut these strawberries up, and this is gonna be the end of this video. I ain't gonna show y'all cutting strawberries up, because baby, I tends to mess up. You know, I tends to cut myself a lot when I be cutting stuff, so we just not gonna embarrass myself today. We have the strawberries that's going in the refrigerator in this container. They're packed together, just tied in here, so they're gonna last for a very long time. Now we got this here, tops. For those of you who like to eat the tops, you're weird. And then we have some strawberries for us to try. Maybe maybe eat together.
You know, they still hit the same. So clean your strawberries and have a wonderful and blessed day.
We don't have no music for this outro, but subscribe, share, and like, and show some love. We don't have no music for this outro, but subscribe, share, and like, and show some love. Hey, hey, oh, hey.